Okay, so I've just finished pumping this Super 6 roof. You can see up here that's the Super 6 Fibro roof. We actually crawled through this one because it was raining there before. So you can see there's a downlight shroud up there, and there's actually one up behind it. There's a couple of downlights out past the support beam too, which we made sure we cleaned out before we crawled out of there. But you can see how nice and full it is, and that all the way around. And you can also see how tight it is getting in here. Well, you imagine trying to get in here to do batch. So that's another downlight up there, and through up there there's another one there. Right. So it's not a problem. I actually physically crawled up through this whole roof, and insulated it all. And so yeah, I've just got these couple of bats around the manhole here that I'm going to put down and close it all up, and it'll be a lot cooler at home. Right. Oh, hang on, maybe I can show you out towards the edges there. See, out towards the edge there, you can see that light there, right?